Please report immediately to a member of staff.
Baby, take your shoes off. Just drop them on the floor. Let's talk about the future and what it might have in store. You can leave your hat on the table by the door, or put it on the mantelpiece. That's what it is there for.
Chin to chin and holding hands, I long for tenderness. All I want to do is dance. Home free and careless.
I know that you believe in a higher power and that you're convinced we will be punished, but I'm really not so sure. I know that you believe in your plane's at 4:30, and I have a feeling that I'll never get to hold you anymore.
And my friends are trying to tell me to get out of this mess. All my senses are rebelling, but it's none of their business. I fell off the wall, out of the tree, into a hole, and now you see me falling in love, falling in love.